Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do a requested video on how I got the golf cart and to do a golf cart ride straight through Bimini, no stopping. So I don't normally do that, but okay, if that's what you want, that's what we'll get you. Luann actually saw really good reviews online on this golf cart company at Bimini. So we pre-ordered the golf cart. They sent us information on where to pick up the golf cart, the lockbox code to get the key for the golf cart, a telephone number to call them in case there were any issues, and some really good information like you have to drive on the left side of the road in Bimini. Good to know. Just a little bit of background for you before we get started. The video that I did was actually done by Luann as I was driving. It really wasn't designed for a golf cart driving video. It was done in case we came upon something that was interesting, or I needed some B-roll to make up some time, or to show some extra interest while I'm doing the video. I'm telling you this because as we're driving, we're also talking and conversing about different things, some things that were a little private. So I am going to cut the audio out at many different points throughout the video. And I am going to play some music over top of it to drown out some of our voices as well. Because you don't need to hear stuff that we were talking about. You just want to see Bimini, and I understand that. So we're going to start all the way from the southernmost point of North Bimini Island, and we're going to go all the way to the northern side as far as we can possibly go on the main road through Bimini. And I say as far as we can go because there's actually a private community on the northern side of North Bimini Island that does have gates, and we can't go past that gates, but you'll see when we turn around. So here you go. Enjoy. And as always, have a great day.